In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to track social media metrics in Google Sheets. If you want a simple way to monitor performance over time, Google Sheets is a great place to start. It helps you keep everything organized, easy to update, and easy to visualize. In this walkthrough, we're going to set up a basic tracking sheet for your key social media numbers, enter your data consistently, calculate growth, and then turn that information into a chart you can actually use. Start by creating columns in your Google Sheet for platform, followers, engagement rate, and reach. These will act as the main categories for the data you want to track. The platform column is where you'll list the social media channels such as Instagram, TikTok, or LinkedIn. Followers shows audience size, engagement rate helps you understand how actively people interact with your content, and reach tells you how many users are seeing your posts. Setting up these columns clearly from the beginning makes the rest of the process much easier. Once your columns are in place, begin recording your metric values regularly across rows. Each row should represent a new entry in your tracking timeline. The key here is consistency. Whether you update your sheet daily, weekly, or monthly, try to stick to the same schedule so your data stays useful and comparable over time. This habit makes it much easier to spot patterns, measure campaign impact, and understand whether your content strategy is moving in the right direction. Next, calculate percentage growth using the formula equals open parenthesis, new minus old, close parenthesis divided by old. This lets you compare a current value to a previous value and measure how much it has increased or decreased as a percentage. For example, if your follower count went from one value to a higher one, this formula shows the growth rate rather than just the raw increase. That's especially helpful when you want clear performance insights across different platforms or time periods. Just make sure your newer value and older value are coming from the correct cells before applying the formula. After your data is entered and your growth calculations are in place, highlight your data table and click Insert, then Chart to build line graphs. Line charts are especially useful here because they show changes over time in a clean visual format. This makes it easier to identify trends, spikes, dips, and overall momentum without needing to scan every row manually. Once your chart is created, you'll have a simple dashboard style view of your social media performance. Keep updating the sheet regularly, and over time, it becomes a reliable tool for reporting, analysis, and smarter decision making.